The Galaxy Z Flip 7 is finally here, and if you've just picked one up, you're probably wondering how to protect that sleek foldable design. With its unique hinge, larger flex window, and compact form, not just any case will do. In this video, we're checking out 7 of the best cases made specifically for the Flip 7. Whether you want rugged protection, a slim clear look, or extra functionality. Let's find the perfect match for your new favorite phone. If protection is your top priority, the SUPCASE UB Pro might just be the ultimate armor for your Galaxy Z Flip 7. This thing is a beast. Built like a tank with military-grade drop protection, it wraps your phone in a hybrid TPU and PC shell with reinforced corners and a hinge cover that locks into place. It even includes a scratch-resistant tempered glass screen protector, so your display stays pristine. What sets it apart is the practicality. You get a 360-degree rotatable belt clip for hands-free carry, perfect for work or outdoor use, plus a built-in kickstand that props your phone up vertically. Ideal for scrolling or video calls in flex mode. And with the anti-slip texture and lanyard hole, it's designed to stay secure in hand or on the go. It's bulky, sure, but if you want full-body protection and rugged utility, this one's hard to beat. Who says your Galaxy Z Flip 7 can't be both gorgeous and protected? The i-Blason Cosmo proves you really can have it all. A stylish case that doesn't skimp on toughness. Right away, you get a built-in 9H tempered glass screen protector that shields your display from scratches and cracks while staying smooth to the touch. What's really clever is the hinge protection. It wraps that vulnerable fold without messing with the Flip's seamless opening and closing. Plus, the matte back keeps fingerprints at bay, so your phone always looks fresh. The strong built-in N52 magnet is another big win, letting you snap on mag-safe accessories with zero fuss. And don't be fooled by its good looks. This case is 10-foot drop-tested, thanks to its flexible, impact-resistant TPU that absorbs bumps and shocks. With raised bezels for your screen and camera, plus precise cutouts for ports and buttons, the Cosmo nails both beauty and brains. Accidents happen, and if you want your Galaxy Z Flip 7 ready for life's little drops and slips without turning it into a brick, the UAG Mouve Case has your back. This case keeps things light but tough, with a co-molded mix of a translucent PC back and impact-absorbing TPU frame. Those clever airsoft corners add even more shock protection, so your phone can handle bumps like a champ. What's really handy is the strong built-in magnet. It snaps right into place with mag-safe chargers, car mounts, wallets, you name it. And it won't mess with Samsung Pay. The Mouve's open hinge design means your Flip folds perfectly, and installation is simple thanks to its two-piece fit and included adhesive. Add in the textured non-slip grip and military drop test standards, and you've got rugged peace of mind that stays sleek in your pocket. Here's something fun for those who want their case to do more than just protect. The Samsung Flipsuit case is like a pocket-sized personality boost for your Galaxy Z Flip 7. This isn't your average cover. It's an interactive experience that lets you switch things up whenever you feel like it. Just pop in a Flipsuit card, and your flex window lights up with matching LED effects, unique animations, and even some playful gamification. Need a quick break? Swipe up and enjoy a mini pinball game right on the flex window without even flipping your phone open. It's basically a tiny arcade in your pocket. And if you love showing off your favorite pics, the Flipsuit case lets you add custom photo frames to the cover display, turning your phone into a rotating gallery. So, if you want a case that protects and keeps things fresh, fun, and totally you, the Flipsuit case is it. Sometimes, less really is more. And the Ringke Slim Magnetic Case is all about that minimalist appeal. If you love the sleek profile of your Galaxy Z Flip 7 and don't want to cover it up with something bulky, this case hits the sweet spot. Made from lightweight, non-yellowing polycarbonate, it keeps things clean, crisp, and feather-light. The frosted coating not only looks premium, but also feels velvety soft in the hand. Despite its slim form, it's packed with practical features. Full MagSafe compatibility, support for wireless charging, and even a lanyard hole for your favorite strap or accessory. Buttons and the fingerprint reader remain easy to access, so there's no fumbling around when you're on the go. It may not offer heavy-duty drop protection, but for everyday use with a clean, modern vibe, the Ringke Slim Magnetic keeps your Flip 7 stylish, functional, and pocket-friendly. Not every case manages to be both protective and slim, but the Vihibii Case for the Galaxy Z Flip 7 pulls it off with style. It's lightweight, easy to carry, and supports wireless charging, so no need to remove it when it's time to power up. What makes it stand out is the semi-automatic spring hinge cover. It adjusts smoothly with your phone's fold, shielding the most fragile part of your device from daily wear and tear. Plus, the outer screen gets extra love with an HD-tempered glass protector that's ultra-sensitive, crystal clear, and scratch-resistant. Perfect for everyday bumps from keys or coins. Add in the triangular anti-slip textured back, fingerprint-resistant polycarbonate, and a soft fiber interior, and you've got a case that doesn't just protect. It feels good, looks sharp, and keeps your Flip 7 safe from every angle. If you're after a case that blends smart design with full-body protection, the MAKAVO Case delivers on all fronts. It features a built-in 9H tempered glass screen protector that keeps the outer display sharp and scratch-free, while raised edges protect the camera when your phone is face down. Its standout feature is the auto-sliding hinge cover, offering reliable, military-grade protection without turning your Flip 7 into a bulky brick. Despite the coverage, wireless charging works perfectly, and the velvet-coated body feels soft with a secure grip. You'll also appreciate the practical details. Enlarged cutouts make it easy to unlock and charge, while the fleece-lined interior keeps your phone's back safe from scuffs. A bit of double-sided adhesive ensures everything stays snug and in place. The MAKAVO Case is clean, protective, and thoughtfully designed for everyday use. And that wraps up our picks for the 7 best cases to keep your Galaxy Z Flip 7 safe and looking amazing. Which one matches your style? Rugged, slim, or playful? Let us know in the comments which case you'd choose and why. Don't forget to subscribe for more.